Good morning, good morning. Happy Easter Sunday. I'm coming to you live from Las Vegas. And you guys are catching the replay, let me know a replay. And if you are coming on live, let me know that you are on live. And as you can tell from my intro, I don't take myself too seriously. I like to have a good time. I love to just be myself, and that is how you succeed in life. That is my motto, my opinion, I guess, but it's worked for me, and I'm excited to share more with you guys some things that are on my mind. We're gonna start out by, I'm gonna share just a few tips that honestly I think every single person needs to know when they put these daggone lashes on, okay? Because we're so excited about these lashes that when we want them to just boom, done, slam, bam, thank you, ma'am, okay, 2 seconds, and I got my lashes on and I'm out the door. And really, that's all it takes. However, there's a couple tips and tricks in order to get that 2-second lash application, right? So I'm going to share that with you. Nothing major, just brief, something that all of you should know. And if you don't know and you're in this group, you need to know this so that you can share it with the people that you're sharing these lashes with, right? Because it's easy, it shouldn't be difficult, and we want you to love them, because once you get your niche and you know how to apply them like a pro, you're gonna be like, oh, that's what she was talking about. Okay, now I see. Yes, I love them. Okay, so happy Sunday, everyone. My name is Michelle King. I am from Las Vegas. Well, I'm from Virginia. You can probably tell my accent. Every time I say that, they're like, you're not from Las Vegas. And I'm like, no, but I've been here for about 8 years, so I'm kind of from here now, but I'm always going to claim my roots from back home. I'm from VA, baby, Virginia, East Coast. And so I'm just going to come to you live right now. If you're watching the replay, again, tell me replay. If you feel compelled to share this, I'm going to share not only the tips, that's going to be brief. I'm going to talk about Canada. Shout out to Canada. If you're in Canada right now, drop a Canadian flag. I want to talk to you guys. I'm stoked. I have a goosebumps when I think about what we're going to do in Canada. But feel free to hit the share button, because I'm sure there's people, and I think this group has the ability for us to share, but I think there's people on your timeline, on your regular Facebook page, that are going to want to know what we do here. You're going to want to know about this excitement. You're going to want to know what it means to be a Tori Belle affiliate. Woo! My adrenaline's going this morning. I'm going to bring it to you and bring the heat, bring you some good stuff, okay? So shout out where you're from. If you're in Canada, let me see some flags. Share this video. And if you are just excited to just be alive today, thank you, Jesus, for our Savior who has risen again. Happy Easter. I'm jumping in. I made a little note list because I don't want to miss anything, okay? So I want to make sure I give you all the good stuff so that you are informed to make the best decision for you and your family, if being an affiliate is something you've ever thought about, okay? If not, that's okay. You can still watch. Let's have fun. Let's celebrate together all the excitement that we do in this group, okay? Thanks for all the hearts and loves. Julie is amazing, you guys. I'm sure everyone knows her. She's the big boss lady. That's what I call her. Anyway, thank you, Julie, for all that you do. I'm sure everyone else was the same way about you. So, okay, I am Michelle King from Las Vegas, and I started this journey with these lashes in December. And let me tell you something, and you know what, I'm also curious, all the beautiful ladies here, and men, there's men in here too, but if you have, how did you find out about lashes, right? Social media is huge, okay? I buy so much stuff from Facebook ads, Instagram ads. So here's what happened with me. I was watching Facebook and Instagram, and I saw all these ads pop up for these lashes, and I'm like, these look really cool. I want to throw the glue ones away. I'm done. I want something easy. But I didn't want to order from a stranger, right? So what happens? We see someone we know doing something pretty cool. We ask them about it. And because we know them, we're like, well, I'll try them. You place an order, you love them, you start sharing with people. Sometimes you start sharing with people. We'll get to that next. That's where I started. I actually jumped in initially right away, both feet in as an affiliate. Ask Julie. Now, if you're someone who's thinking, you're on the edge, and you're like, I'm not sure if I want to be an affiliate, keep listening. That was me. I ordered that way because I said, I know a lot of people who love lashes, right? Come on, girls, ladies, am I right? Am I right? Ladies love lashes. They want to feel beautiful. So I said, I know I'll at least be able to sell a few. What, you know, who cares if I do anything more than that? Month one, I think I started December 6th. Month one, we did almost $7,000 in orders. And I thought that was like, wow, that blew my mind. But again, Julie even messaged me, I believe. She asked me something like, what's your intentions with this business? Like, what are your goals? And I'm like, you know, I have other things I'm focusing on. I'm really, honestly, probably not going to put a whole lot of attention into this. This is just going to be like fun. I'm going to sell some lashes to some of my friends. They're going to love. January comes and we do $47,000 in lash orders. From $7,000 to $47,000 in a month. At that point, I said, this is big. I said, this is big. I have goosebumps again, okay? February comes, we do $57,000 in orders. We jump by 10 grand. So March comes, over $60,000 in orders, you guys. So what I'm thinking is, we're sitting on a gold mine of an opportunity. Why would we not share with people? So I'm thinking, oh my gosh, I've got to tell everyone about this, because what happens? What happens? I know some of you have already thought this way. Oh my, I'm a customer, right? Maybe you're a customer, you're like, okay, now my friend Susie is selling lashes. Now my friend Andrea is selling. Now my friend, well, I don't want to miss the boat. I don't want to miss out. I want to do it too, because I want to be the one to tell my friends. I want to be the one to tell my friends before they start telling all my friends, right? So that's my journey. That's where I started. And that's start to now, 4 months, you guys. I've only been doing this for 4 months, okay? And it's been incredible. I forgot to tell you about some of the tips because I just got so excited. So if you're watching, I know I just want to do a quick intro on me and my journey and where I started and where we are now. So if you're still coming on, happy Easter, happy Sunday. I'm going to share with you a couple tips for our customers. And basically, very important for you to trim your lash. Not a lot of people trim their lashes. Maybe they just don't know they're supposed to. I didn't know I was supposed to either. And then I realized that pretty much everyone does. So I just do like one magnet on each one. And then it was like, whoa, now they fit my eyes better. And I also bend a little bit to the shape of my eye, and that's it. So trim and bend, trim and bend, trim and bend, place. It works a whole lot easier. That's my tip of the day. All right, I should have did that first, but I'm like, let's just like bring the heat right now. They need to know what's going on. So anyway, those are my tips. Canada. I want to shout Canada real quick, and then I'm going to bring it to you what it takes to be an affiliate, which doesn't take much. It takes some passion, your love for lashes and help women feel beautiful. And if you're shy, if you're not a makeup person, stay tuned because I have something to tell you guys, okay? So, Canada. I'm so excited for you all. We're not launched yet, but what you can do to pre-build is get your people in this group, okay? Get them in here so they can start learning. They can start gaining the tools that are in this group. I use this group every single day. If you're a customer in here, if you're an affiliate in here, use this group as a tool to grow your business. And if you're a customer, use it as a tool to help you get, you know, your makeup game on, your lash game strong, and tips on how to apply. There's videos, there's all sorts of things for customers and affiliates in this group. That's why I love this group. So get your Canada people in here and send out the invite, copy and paste this link to this group to your messenger. In your messenger, we're talking to them, hey, you know, I know we're not launched in Canada yet, but hey, join this group because I want you to start following it. So when we launch, we can blow it out the daggone roof. We can blow the roof off this joint, okay? So Canada's gonna come in high and strong, and I know that for a fact. I'm telling y'all, when I see something good, I know that we gotta run. We gotta grab it by the horns and we gotta run with it. Okay, and that's this here. All right, so now we have a lot of customers, and you know, I hear this a lot. Some of the reasons why people don't want to be an affiliate, and if you're one of these people and you're watching right now, drop a 1 if this is you. I hear people say, well, I'm not good at sales. I don't want to sell anything. Guess who said that? Me too. 5 years ago when I started in this industry, I said that too. I hate selling stuff, don't want to talk to people. Now I'm not doing it. Stop bugging me. And here we are. So, you're not good with makeup. You don't have to be good with makeup either. You know that probably 90% of the affiliates in my organization have told me that. But you know what they found was when they started dolling up a little more, they're like, you know what, this is kind of fun. I feel good. I feel confident. I feel beautiful. I love the way I feel. And gosh, I'm glad that I trusted you. It just takes that one Yes, for you to change your life and to let go of the fear and let your faith be stronger than the fear. I'm wearing a bracelet today that says, I can do all things through him who strengthens me. And ain't that the truth? Because without my faith, I have faith in the Lord. I don't know if anybody else here has the same faith, but you know, sometimes if we're scared of something, we just have to let go of those fears and say, Jesus, take the wheel, lead me into the direction that you want me to. And if this is speaking to you, give me some hearts. Thank you, Lacey. Give me some hearts, because God has a plan for all of us. Okay, I'm going to stop. Where am I? I'm not in church. What am I doing? Okay, back to the topic. Okay, but really, okay, pray about it. If you need guidance on where you should go and what direction you should move with this opportunity, pray about it. God will show you where you need to be. And we really hope that it's here with us, because we have fun. Don't we have fun? Okay. Not good with makeup. Now, you don't have to be good at makeup, okay? You don't know many people. Lots of us started by not knowing many people. I've built my social media over years, right? So it doesn't matter. It's all about that one friend that you know that might know a ton of people. And then, boom, you're blowing up. Okay, so it's not about who you know, it's who your best friend knows, or who your sister knows, or who your aunt knows, or whoever knows who they know. Next thing you know, they know people in Canada, and you're like, whoa, just like I was. Like, here we go. Buckle up for the ride, because it's going to be fun. Maybe you're shy, you don't do lives. I was too. Okay, I know I sound cliche, because with all this I was too, but it's truth. I'm a registered nurse. I didn't mention that part. I've been a nurse for almost 12 years. I hate selling stuff. I don't like cold messages. We don't do that here. At least I don't. I don't teach my organization to do that either. But you know, where was I going with that? Oh, shy. You don't have to be so outgoing and an extrovert and all this to do this business. So just know that you don't have to go live. You can just be yourself. Like, be you. And I promise you, when you start seeing the confidence that I know it might sound crazy, but the lashes give you confidence. I'm just saying. Can I get an amen? I'm telling you, I've heard that so much. So your confidence is going to bloom as you continue this journey. So those are some of the reasons why customers don't want to be an affiliate. But how about some of the reasons that they do? Well, we get free products. I mean, hello, you can earn free products every month. I've earned hundreds and hundreds. Like, one month I earned almost $300 in free product. And I was like, what? Well, if I can just sign up just for the free product, that's awesome, right? So no cold calls, no three-way calls, no parties. You don't have to keep a ton of stock at your house. I mean, it's the most, I'm not going to say it's easy, because nothing worth having comes easy, and I'm also telling you, I don't post the name of the product on my social media. So you don't have to blast Tori Belle. You don't have to be spammy and salesy. We teach you all of that. If you're someone who doesn't know how to start, you don't know what to post for your first post, you don't know how to gain interest from your Facebook following, your friends that, you know, have been following your social media for years, don't worry. I have learned that the most amazing, incredible opportunities I have ever had has been from me just taking a chance, just saying, you know what, it feels good, I'm doing it. Don't think about it too long. If something is telling you, I've got to do this, I'm hyped, I'm excited, okay, this girl Michelle, she's bringing it to me, she's speaking to me, then get with your person who, like, you're buying your lashes from already, and just have a conversation. There's no pressure. And here's the thing, like, if you're one of my customers in here, like, if you tell me you don't want to be an affiliate with Tori Belle, I don't want you to be an affiliate, because why would I want to drag you into something you really don't want to do? And that's fine. If you just want to be a customer, that's fine. But if you want to be an affiliate, freaking awesome. We're gonna roll with you. We're gonna run with you. We're gonna grind hard. What's my hat say? Stay humble, hustle hard. Love these hats. Love that motto. So free product, earning an income. We get paid 3 times a month. You guys, the bonus structure and the pay structure and the commissions in this company blows my mind. It's seriously mind-blowing. So earning income from your phone, that should be a big checklist or a big check on your checklist of why you might want to join as an affiliate, right? Free products, earning an income from your phone, huge support. Look at this. There's a ton of people in this group, and this is just our customer groups. We have a ton of support for our customers. Then we have a whole nother page just for affiliates where you get a lot of great training, videos, examples of what to post. Like, everything is laid out for you. I've never seen something like this before. Trips, giveaways, Louis Vuitton giveaways. I have to mention that one because that's my favorite. Tiffany's gift cards, thanks to Julie. She does so much for us, and our upline is amazing. It's a new company. So like I said, if you're not telling your friends are going to be joining somebody else, and they're going to be telling everyone, and you're going to be sitting here like, hey, that was supposed to be me. Don't let that happen to you. Okay, I know there's comments here. If you guys have questions, because I'm about to wrap it up, but if you guys have questions, let me know, drop in the comments. I'll go back through before we end. So yeah, I think the system is duplicatable. It's so duplicatable that it's not even funny how simple it is. Okay, so I'm gonna get ready to get off here, but if you've been thinking about it, just mess it. Maybe you have a question. Maybe you're still unsure. Maybe you are like, what does she mean by the bonus plan? There's so many bonuses in your first 2 to 6 months. It's crazy. Like Julie said, don't let that happen. You don't want to be still sitting on the bench when everybody else is on the field. Jump in, get a piece of the cake, man. It's good. It's good over here. All right. Yes. Anyone have any questions before I go? I hope y'all enjoyed this. Tag somebody who maybe is just like, I'm just not really sure. They need to see this. Like, let them know how excited we are to have them, and the support they're going to have, and the confidence they're going to build on the way. And what I like to teach my team is, even though you may not feel too confident in sharing a product with someone yet, OPE is a big thing. Other people's efforts. We become successful by using other people's efforts. So tag team with somebody. Grab arms with somebody that maybe has a strength that you don't have. And you can use other people's efforts to gain your success. And so another thing, what I mean by that is, I don't only share my pictures with the lashes. I share all of people in this group. I just go to this group and like save a ton of pictures and post it on my timeline and in my stories, and I'm like, look at these beautiful ladies today, rocking their lashes, and other people's efforts. So I didn't even ask, how can I buy a pair of these lashes? I sent you a message asking, how can I sell these? Your post let me know how much success there is in this business. Share your success. Let your customers know that there is opportunity here. Best support you've ever had. Thank you so much, Carla. Hi, Robin. Nice to see you. Glad you're on. Hi, Nora, Jezebel, Kim, Whitney. All right, guys, I'm going to hop off. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your Easter, and God bless.